Hey friends, kamusta po kayo? Can you hear me? Attorney Elaine, Attorney E. Antonio Bordeaux, live po tayo ngayon sa Facebook. Ating pong page is Attorney E. Immigration Lawyer. Meron din po tayong YouTube page, Attorney E. Immigration Lawyer. So I have about 30 minutes and what I want to do is I want to answer your questions. Yan, sana you can hear me kasi I actually set up the microphone system kasi merong isa po nag-comment. Sabi niya, Attorney, hindi ko naman maintindihan yung mga sinasabi mo. Ang hina ng audio mo. So I hope this one will help you. Okay, so before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordeaux. I'm an immigration lawyer. I've been practicing U.S. immigration law for 15 years. I'm based in the United States and I handle all types of immigration cases. Ayan po. So, I want to welcome you dito po sa ating Facebook Live po tayo ngayon. And I want to answer yung mga questions that were posted. Meron po tayong YouTube channel, yung Attorney E. Immigration Lawyer. So, I'm gonna post that and then you can, post your questions sa comment section. Pero po, please don't give out private information. Mga pang general questions lang po yon. Tsaka itong mga payo ko ay hindi po ito kapalit ng isang actual consultation with your immigration lawyer. I want to thank my husband, Randy Bordeaux, first and foremost, for helping me with the audio system. So sana po nakatulong tong bagong audio system natin. Okay. So, I'm gonna go over itong ating YouTube channel and we are going to answer questions po, ha? Kamusta na po kayo? Mainit ba sa Manila ngayon? Well, I do represent clients from all over the world, but mostly Filipinos po. So, if you want to have a consultation with me, mag-email kayo, eb@eboardlaw.com or mag-text 713-315-7793. And to schedule a consultation po, mag-email kayo. We do charge a consultation fee na napaka-reasonable po. Okay, so I want to go to the questions here. Maraming salamat sa 5.9k subscribers po natin, ha? Salamat po. And dito sa channel natin, we talk about yung iba't ibang issues involving Filipinos, especially yung mga Filipinos po dito sa Amerika. So, yun po. Okay. Alright, so before I start, ipaplug ko lang po. If you are in San Francisco, on July 8, I'm going to have an exhibition. Isa po akong sculptor din. And the Philippine Consul General is hosting my exhibition. Ang pangalan po ng exhibition ko ay Courage Exhibit. So, ito po yung mga bronze sculptures ko that I've created depicting my Filipino heritage. So, kung kayo po ay nasa San Francisco, please visit po yung ating Philippine Consulate sa San Francisco. And nandun po ako from July 8 for 2 weeks. Nandun po ang aking exhibit. Yan po. It's a solo exhibition. Okay, so let's go back to this questions, ha? Okay, so I'm just gonna start from the top. And I only have 30 minutes to answer questions, kasi we have another Zoom meeting. So, I have to go in 30 minutes. Okay. Sabi dito, ang tanong ni Rick Boy, sabi niya, paano magpetisyon ng kapatid sa US? Okay, so, pag US citizen ka, you can sponsor your brother or your sister, yung sibling mo. Ang tanong niya, makakasama po ba ang asawa at anak sa petisyon? Okay, sa asawa, makakasama ang asawa. Kasi it doesn't matter whether yung kapatid mo ay may asawa na or single pa. So it doesn't really matter. Pwede mo pa rin siyang ipetisyon. Pero yung anak, yan. So doon nagkakaroon ng issue doon sa mga bata kasi sila yung mga derivative. So Pag naabutan ng 21 years old, before maabutan yung mga bata, dapat ma-invoke yung tinatawag na CSPA. And they're gonna do a computation kung kasama pa yung bata. Okay? Kasi syempre, alam niyo na, pag nag-reach ng 21 years old, may kanya-kanyang rule. So, it's very important na kung may anak na na magto-21, ay makipag-usap po kayo sa isang immigration lawyer po. Okay? Yan. So, yan ang tanong ni Ricky Boy. So, sana po ay nasagot ko. Itong next question, attorney, pwede po bang magtanong anong gagawin ng pamangkin ko? Kasi yung nag-email na, kasi daw yung email na ibinigay niya sa kapatid ko na nasa US ay nakalimutan na po ang password. And approved na sana yung visa niya. Paano niya malaman yung interview niya dito sa Philippines? Okay, so I'm assuming, ito ang question from Jerry. So I'm assuming ang pinag-uusapan nila ay nasa National Visa Center. There's a way that you can contact. First, you know, you try to retrieve yung password kung kaya mo pa. Ako, napaka... Hindi rin ako magaling sa password, but my husband is an IT. So, pag may ganyang issue, siya yung tumutulong sa akin. But if you lose your, if you have lost your password, and first of course, you try to recover your password kung kaya mo. Yan, number one. Kung hindi mo kaya, ay what you can do, kung talagang totally wala na, you have to contact the National Visa Center. Kung magkakaroon ka ng panibagong password, or I'm sorry, if you're going to have a new email address, kontakin niyo po yung National Visa Center at ipaalam niyo sa kanila yung bago niyong information. And the way that you do that is, napakasimple po. You just go, type the National Visa Center, and ayan, merong public inquiry form. There's a public inquiry form. You can contact them. May mga information kayong kailangang i-prepare, like yung case number, yung petitioner's information, yung applicant's information, and then you notify them na wala yung password, hindi nyo na ma-retrieve, and then this is your new email address, and you want to get those information. So there's a way to do that, okay? So wag nyo na pong intayin, do it as soon as possible. Okay? Yan. So, Mang Jerry, sana po nakatulong ako sa inyo. So, ganun lang po yon. Try to retrieve the password first. Kung hindi po ma-retrieve, and, contact the National Visa Center. May public inquiry form, and then tell them, the situation. And then, if you have a new email address, let them know. Okay? Kung kayo naman ay may abogado, sabihin niyo po sa abogado niyo, and your lawyer knows what to do. Ayan po. Okay po? Sabi dito ni Imelda, anong visa category po ang caregiver EB3 or EB3 other worker? Okay, so may mga episode tayo that we talk about yung pagpapetisyon ng caregivers. So, meron pong immigrant visa petition for caregivers. Ito po yung EB3 and proseso rin po siya. So, ang EB3 category po, it will give a permanent residency dun sa caregiver. And, pero meron po tayo ngayong waiting time. There was a time after COVID na walang waiting, may mga nangyari because a lot of employers backed out during the pandemic. Pero right after the pandemic, diba nagkaroon ng visa slots for caregiver. Ngayon, puno na rin naman po. And there's a waiting time. So, ang category po ng caregiver is EB3. And, yun nga po, there's a waiting time. Hindi po itong madali ang, process. And, you have to get a lawyer. Actually, hindi po, this is not something that basta-basta yung fina-file. You have to go to the Department of Labor. And then after that, you have to go to USCIS, and it's initiated by your employer. So, employer niyo po ang mangunguna sa pagproseso nitong petisyon na to. Okay? Ito po, sabi niya, Sabi dito, attorney, how long po ba ang proseso ng H2B? Ang H2B is a pretty quick process kasi meron po tayong yearly slots, okay? There was a time na yung Pilipinas ay temporarily hindi sinama sa H2B. H2B is a program for temporary workers. Ito po yung para sa mga seasonal workers, sa mga yung mga project workers, yung hindi temporary, it does not give a green card on its own, pero po yearly yan ay ibinibigay. So madalian lang po ang proseso, but it's initiated by the employer po. Okay? Alright, so ito naman sabi ni Vincent 4 days ago yung question na, sabi niya, attorney, paano ba magtatanong po ako, ano po ba ang dapat gawin para makakuha ko yung W2 ko kasi nakauwi na po ako ng Pilipinas. Salamat po. Kung nakauwi ka na sa Philippines, I'm sure you can contact your HR department ng company mo. So, sana may HR sila or yung employer mo, and you ask for your W2. Okay, so you can do that. So, contact them and then ask them yung mag-request ka ng W2 form para ma-file mo yung tax returns mo. Okay? Kahit overseas ka na. Ito naman yung question ni Yang Wen. Attorney, ask ko lang po, kinasal kami. Ito, sabi niya, kinasal siya sa Taiwan. Tapos, naparegister sila sa Taiwan legally. Married na din kami. Sabi niya, married na sila doon. Kaso, after 8 years, ay naghiwalay sila at nag-file sila ng divorce. And then, hawak niya yung mga papers. So, sabi niya, ngayon, meron na siyang fiancé na isang American. Sabi niya, pwede na ba niya akong ipetisyon? Okay, so first, ang aalamin po ng embassy natin or ng US Immigration is, valid po ba yung divorce ninyo sa Taiwan? Yan. So, kung meron po kayong valid divorce sa Taiwan, ay pwede po kayong i-petition na for K1. So, that means na valid divorce, meaning free na kayo to legally marry each other. So, pwede na po kayong i-petition ng yung fiancé from the US using the K1 process. Ayan. Pwede rin po kung gusto niya uuwi sa Philippines, magpakasal, and then maging immigrant visa process, or magki-K1 visa po, but you have to see each other first. Ayan. Okay? Ito naman sabi ng isang nag-comment, attorney, ang tagal pala ng processing time for sponsoring your kapatid, your brother, or sister. Yap, matagal po talaga ang F4 category. Kasi marami pong mga nagpipetisyon and napaka-limited po ng visa. So, from the Philippines, marami pong US citizens na nagpipetisyon ng mga kapatid nila and lahat po ay naghihintay. But you know what? Don't get discouraged. Kasi, once you file the petition for your sibling, magkakaroon siya ng priority date, meaning nakaumang na siya doon. You know, nakapasok na siya doon. So, hihintayin na lang siya. Okay? So, hindi siya makakarating doon sa dulo kung hindi siya sisimulan. So, my suggestion is i-file pa rin po yung petition sa kapatid. Kung gusto ng kapatid, gusto nyo, kahit po matagal maghintay. Okay? Alright. Isa pa, sabi niya, attorney, sabi ni Elvis, pwede po bang magtanong? Yes, pwede. So, the two ways to do it. First, mag-comment ka dito sa comment section, but don't put any information, personal information, or you can schedule a consultation with me. Mag-email eb@ebordlo or mag-text 713-315-7793. Okay? Alright, sabi naman ng isa pang user, hello po, tanong ko lang po, gaano po ba katagal mag-process ng unmarried daughter over 21 from the Philippines? Okay, so ito nag-over 21 na. US citizen ang mother niya. You know what? Let's look at that. So the way to do it is go to Visa Bulletin. Ano na bang buwan ngayon? March 2024. Kasi dito mo malalaman kung ano yung priority date na pinaproseso na. So just type mo po sa Google, Visa Bulletin, March 2024. Tapos ang category ng sabi niya, unmarried over 21. So, US citizen ang petitioner. So, F1 category yon. Tama ba ako? F1, unmarried sons and daughters of US citizen. So, F1 category, okay, sa Philippines, ang pinoproseso ay April 22, 2015. Yan. So, ano na tayo ngayon? 2024. So, ganun katagal ang waiting time. Okay? Meaning, uunahin muna nila yung file before this date. Assuming you filed your petition today. So, ganun po. So, yun ang tinatawag na priority date at naghihintay po na makarating yung priority date mo. Ngayon, kung yung priority date mo ay nandito na sa chart na ito, that means mayroon ng available na visa for you. Okay? Yan. So, that's how you do it. So, di ba matagal? But don't get discouraged. Pasimulan nyo na. And, you know, once you get the priority date, nakaabang na rin siya doon. Okay? So, that's for F1 category, yung unmarried child over 21 years old. Okay? Alright. So, I try to answer parang once a month. Pero ngayon marami na tayong mga questions. Tsaka medyo naging busy po talaga ako. So, pasensya na po kayo. So, I will answer 2 more questions, okay? And then, sa susunod naman po tayo. Okay, sabi niya, attorney, sabi ni Michelle Clemente, pa-notice naman po. Okay po, so, kung may tanong po kayo, put your question here and I will respond po. Ito pala yung question niya. Sabi niya, meron daw nag-hire directly sa kanya. After a week ay nag-email po yung employer, kailangan daw po ng housekeeper at meron pong binigay na email ad, makipag-communicate daw ako regarding sa visa application. Wala namang pong job order. So mag-ingat po kayo doon sa mga email, even if there's a job order, mag-ingat po kayo kasi marami pong manluloko sa employment visa. Actually, sabi ko nga, mas madali manloko ata kapag ka-employment kaysa sa love scam. Kasi pag love scam, papaniwalain mo pa na mahal mo, ang tagal mo pang liligawan. Samantalang pag employment scam, all they need to do is to provide a fake job offer. So mag-ingat po kayo. And the thing that I want to tell you is, regulated pa rin po ang employment sa US. So, dadaan pa rin po kayo sa ating mga ahensya sa gobyerno. So, nakakalungkot po na magbabayad kayo dito sa mga nag-o-offer. Kunyari, marami po nag-o-offer dyan. And then, to find out na hindi naman sila legit. And kung mag-vanish na sila, hindi mo na rin sila mahahagilap. So, mag-ingat po kayo. So, be very cautious. Kahit ba sabihin job offer, ayan na job offer. Tapos, so always ask for yung, sino ang partner agency nila dito sa Philippines. Yun po. And make sure na itong partner agency nila ay lehitimo or legitimate agency po. Okay? Alright, so one more question po, okay? Sabi niya, attorney, good morning. September 2013 po kami. Sabi niyo po, April 2015 na, wala pa po kami natanggap ngayon. Ano ang dapat naming gawin? May anak po kami mag-21 na ngayon, May 1, 2024. Takot po ako na baka di ko na siya makasama. Okay, so you can actually contact the National Visa Center. So I'm not so sure here kung saang level na po yung yung proseso nyo. Kasi po USCIS, 'di ba? Tapos after approval, pag may visa na, it will go to the National Visa Center. And then kapag available na po available na po ang visa for you, saka po ito pupunta sa embassy natin. So I don't know which level na po, pero find out kung anong level and then kontakin nyo po sila. Okay? So you can be proactive. Kung may lawyer po kayo, tawagan nyo na yung lawyer nyo. Kung wala kayo abogado, and if you want to get a lawyer para to assist you, you can do that, or you can actually contact the National Visa Center. So meron po silang public inquiry form. Yung US Embassy naman po natin, kung nandun na, ay meron din naman po silang telephone. You can call them, you can email them. Okay? Alright. Ayan po ang ating mga sagot for our episode today. And thank you for sending all of these questions. And sana po i-like and i-subscribe niyo po ang aming channel, Attorney E Immigration Lawyer. We talk about issues concerning po itong mga kababayan natin dito sa Amerika, visa, whether non-immigrant or immigrant process, and other things we talk about here. And ngayon pong March, ay gusto ko pong batiin ang lahat po ng ating mga kababaihan sa buong mundo. I wanna say, I wanna greet everybody. Happy Women's History Month po. Ito po ang buwan ng Marso, paborito ko pong month, because we celebrate the contribution of our women sa atin pong society. Yung role nating mga kababaihan, yung mga contributions po natin, mga accomplishments natin, mga struggles natin, and mga victory po nating mga kababaihan. Yan po, until next time po, ako po si Attorney Elaine Antonio Bordo. Bye!